Poul's Kitchen is Chef Paul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to solve a really huge problem. This could actually lead to world peace. This could save your marriage. This could save your wife from murdering you in the middle of the night when she's PMSing. What are we doing? We're making hot chocolate. And before you go off thinking I'm sounding crazy, this is actually a real thing here. Now, somebody who's had the gallbladder removed, or somebody else that has who has had IBS, this is actually a really serious thing. It really is, because honestly, it's a real thing to them. I'm going to start off with 2 cups of milk, and we're using soy milk.
No, we're not.
It's almond milk, sorry. And you're going to ask me why this could save your marriage, or how this can save a woman on their PMS, or all the things I said. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, women like chocolate. They really like chocolate. And if you're Dutch, you really like chocolate. And I find that the easiest peace offering you can make a woman when she's PMSing, or she's really upset or cranky with you, which is the case for me because I pick on my wife too much some days. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is chocolate. And I'm going to give 1 cup of water.
That's not a cup, though.
It is.
You didn't fill it up all the way.
Good enough. Stop complaining. But seriously speaking, one of the best things for a woman is chocolate. But the problem is, if you have IBS, or if you have
Had your gallbladder like
or
me.
you have many other issues that you're not allowed to have chocolate or caffeine, what do? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is called a Carob powder. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons, and I mean tablespoons. It's not necessarily the cheapest thing in the world, but it'll be worth it. It's really worth it because there's no caffeine in it.
No.
It's 100% natural. And now I have to find a little bit of cinnamon. And then I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla. And I know I have cinnamon.
It's right in front of you.
And it is.
I know, because I put it there.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of honey. It's a really easy. Add what you need for your taste. Now I need to find where the heck the matcha is. And lo and behold, I didn't have to go too far.
But don't put too much in.
No.
Like half a teaspoon. That's too much.
Is that too much?
That's way too much. Yeah.
Or more?
No, that should be good.
So look at that, guys.
You don't need much because it can be really, really strong.
And I'm not putting it in for the taste. I'm putting it in because I want it to give a little bit of energy. So since Amy can't have coffee, we're going to use matcha.
Yeah, coffee doesn't agree with me since I got my gallbladder out, so.
And Jess, when you're watching this, I understand that you have issues with coffee too. This will wake you up, and believe me, it's going to taste really good.
It is really good.
I haven't had any yet, so I don't really know myself. But I'm not a chocolate person. Anytime I have chocolate, Amy is like notorious for stealing it. So
Not anymore.
not anymore, she says.
Well, I'm not allowed.
So we're going to take a whisk, and we're just going to whisk this. And you really, really want to do this because you don't want it to burn. And you've heard the commercial, Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Well, just Amy goes Cocoa for this.
This is really good.
She's cuckoo for this crazy. So this should give you enough energy to do everything you need to do in a run of a day. And I've done everything for Amy that I know how to do to make sure that she's getting what she needs. And to be honest with you, yeah, this isn't coffee. It definitely isn't. But you don't.
But it's chocolate.
But it's chocolate. It's going to pack a punch. And there's no. You don't need to add any sweeteners or any more sweeteners. It's got honey in it. You don't need to add cream to it. It's sugar-free, and Carob powder is really healthy. It's super healthy. There's a lot of health benefits to it.
Yeah, look it up online.
Yeah, now, and I only added 3 tablespoons for 3 cups of this. You could, if you want to make this richer, just use 3 cups of milk. We're using 2 cups of milk and a cup of water.
And whatever type of milk you prefer, but I can't have regular,
Yeah,
so
you can use almond, you could use silk, you can use soy, whatever you want to use.
you can use lactose free, you can use regular milk if you're allowed. Or if you can handle it.
Yep. And all I'm doing is just getting this hot enough, just heat it up enough. It's almost ready now. Technically I could take it off if I wanted to. But you do want to constantly stir it, and the reason for that is very simple. If you don't, the bottom of your pan is going to go a little wonky, and we don't want that.
No, it took me long enough to clean that the last time that happened.
And we're putting it into this, and when we put this into there, we're going to put it slowly.
Yeah.
If you notice, my pan has a little bit of a drip thing at the end.
Pour spout. Which is pretty neat.
Yeah. So we all know Amy. We can make fun of her because she's going to be drinking pure chocolate. I mean, you can use Carob powder to make your own homemade chocolate, and I'm telling you, it tastes.
It's really good.
It tastes way better than European stuff. It really does, and I don't know why, and I can't explain it. Do we have any left?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm amazed. I'm proud of Amy because I'm telling you, Amy in the past has eaten a whole deep freeze full of chocolate in one sitting. Amy likes her chocolate. Amy has come a long way. Dropped a lot of weight. She's doing really good, and I'm proud of her for it. Alright, so we're done with this. So this is a very quick process. It's not hard. It's not very time consuming at all.
No.
And if there's any left, I'm going to take a little bit and try it myself. And yay, there is just a little bit.
Just be careful to be hot.
Yeah, I'm going to let it cool down, obviously.
Yeah.
But how does that look, guys?
Really good.
So what you want to do here, and I'm assuming nobody's going to want to be doing dishes right away, but just fill the pot with water and let it cool all the way. If you don't fill it with water, it's going to be a real pain in the ass to clean later.
Yeah.
So make sure you turn your burners off. I'm putting this in here so that this gets a chance
Back and clean.
that it'll loosen a little bit. And Amy's going to go to work today with some
Hot chocolate.
hot chocolate with a little bit of a punch.
Yeah.
So Amy won't be sitting complaining, oh, I'm so tired. I'm so cranky because I want my chocolate. Not at all. She has her homemade chocolate, guys. Let's make cooked great again. This is a recipe that you might need to order some Carob powder. You might need to order some matcha. But you know what? Well worth it. Matcha is a little pricey, but I promise you it is worth it. But let's make cooking great again and find something that we can all enjoy. Please hit that like, share, subscribe. Love you. We'll talk to you later.